Chewing on a peach? Henry, you chewing on a peach? Got your peach? You chewing on it? Mmm, tasty.
You can handle it too. Look at that.
Mmm, yummy peaches.
There you go. Had it.
That's the wrong end. That's the wrong side. He's like, yeah, but this is pretty good too. Say hi, Grandma. Hey, Henry, can you say hi, Grandma? That's pretty far off. Because that's a little hard.
Look at that. Look at that. He's got it. You got it.